everybody, welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I am super excited about today's recipe. I don't even remember where I found it or who gave it to me, but it's been one that I've loved for a long time and I really want to share it with you today. It's called BBQ Ranch Chicken Salad. Super simple. You guys, this is probably one of the easiest recipes that I will share with you. It is so quick, it's so tasty. Everybody loves it. I often serve it for lunch. Tonight, I'm actually gonna serve it for dinner. I have my neighbor that her son got married and I am serving their family, just about 15 people tonight, dinner before the reception. And I'm gonna make this salad for them. It is so yummy, so quick, so tasty. Let's get going. You guys, this is even a salad my husband will eat. So that right there says it all. You know it's going to be tasty if my husband will eat these vegetables in a salad at my house that I made, because he doesn't like vegetables all that much, but he loves this salad. So first of all, we have black beans. We have corn. I'm actually gonna fry that corn in a little butter so it makes it nice and toasty brown. We have tortilla strips. You choose what kind you want. We have shredded cheese, lettuce. I like the leafy green. We have avocados, purple onion, Roma tomatoes, ranch and barbecue sauce. And we have chicken, and here is a little tip for you. I love to buy the rotisserie chicken, and I shred it and I put it in my freezer so that when I want to make this salad, I have it all ready. All I have to do is put it in the microwave, heat it up. I usually set this meal up as a buffet, and so I usually put my chicken in a crock pot. It keeps it nice and warm. I will put my corn in a crock pot, my black beans in a crock pot, and then everyone can just put what they want on their salad. You guys, this is so yummy. All I have to do is a little prep work, set up the buffet, and dinner's ready. So join me with some prep work, then I'm gonna take you along to see what everyone thinks about dinner tonight. So you guys, I'm gonna dice my tomatoes. I'm gonna dice my purple onion, dice my avocados, and put a little lime juice over the top so that it doesn't turn brown. I am going to heat up my corn. I'm gonna drain it first and then heat up my corn and then add a little butter to the pan, and I'm gonna saute it so that it turns nice toasty brown. I'm gonna drain my black beans and I'm gonna heat those on the stove. I'm gonna add a little cumin and garlic to my black beans. I love the way that tastes. Guys, that's all I'm doing. It is so simple. I'll put my chicken in the crock pot, get that heating, and you guys, super simple. I promise when you put all this stuff together, including ranch and barbecue sauce on top, that sounds so strange. I know, it is delicious. So let's prep, let's get going, and then come along with me tonight for dinner. We're gonna actually have a group here. We have a group at my neighbor's house. I'm actually feeding about 25 people tonight. And this is a super simple recipe to feed that many people. And everyone's gonna love it. I know they will. Yeah, look who's helping in the kitchen.
It's the only salad that I like.
He's cooking my corn.
I think we didn't strain it well enough because it's taking a while to boil off all the liquid.
Oops, my bad.
No, it'll be good.
Just taking a little extra time.
Yeah.
Isn't my cook handsome? My assistant chef.
I've never been called that before.
So I got everything prepped, I got it put together, and a rainstorm hit like crazy when we were taking it to our neighbors. But we are sitting down as a family and eating right now, and I have to show you Alan's.
It looks so good.
You guys, he doesn't have any lettuce in it at all.
That's why it's a salad I like.
Oh my gosh. You guys, give it a try, enjoy. I'll take you a little bit out on the farm when we're done. You guys can see what the rain has done to the farm. It's just beautiful. But we've got to pray because our neighbors are supposed to have a wedding reception tonight and they need it to stop. So anyways, you guys, God bless. Have a great night.